Welcome! So, I have just received the new DJI mic in the mail, and if you follow my channel, you have seen that I have been using the DJI Mic 2, and it has been really a great microphone. I have the 2 transmitter, 1 receiver version with the OLED, and it worked well when we went to Valencia, Spain, and other places. However, I think the marketing got to me, and I thought that I am going to take this new mic for a test drive, and after that I can decide whether I want to keep this or I'm going to sell it. So let's see what's in the box. So here we have this small vinyl. Let's remove it, and then we can pop open the box. So we have this solid paper case. Inside there we have our packaging, and inside the packaging we have our microphone. So we have this DJI case. It's a nice small-ish text case, and we have the charger, and we have the microphone. No, these are the air mufflers. So by default it comes with 2 air muffler, one black and one grayish. And what else do we have here? Here is the beast. So it's way smaller than the other one. This is how big it is. Look at this. Let's compare it with the other one. So it's basically half the size in both ways. And what else do we have in the box? We have the small charging station. Yes, it is. So this is how we charge it. And let's say I want to attach this air muffler. So I can do it the following way. Or not. So this should be it. And there we go. So this one also has the magnetic clip, so you can wear it under your t-shirt, or you can just clamp it onto anything that you want, just like the other one. This one also has the big magnets. All right, I think the next one is going to be the sound test. So this is me speaking from like 50 centimeters or 30 rather in the DJI Mic 2. This is below my throat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is from apart. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the DJI Mic Mini. This is my sound from nearby my throat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is from like 30 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is from the other. And this is from the another. All right. So this is the sound test with the DJI Mic Mini. And I just came out to the garden to walk around. We have kind of a busy street nearby which is basically full of cars all the time. And I'm walking around trying to talk to the microphone. All right, now we are going to do this with the mic 2. All right, so this is going to be another sound test with the DJI Mic 2. And I'm still walking around in the garden. And we both had the mufflers on with the Mic Mini and the DJI Mic 2. From the other reviews that I have seen of this product, what I could feel like I could tell is that the Mic 2 has kind of better sound quality. And yeah, so let me know which one do you think is better. So, what is the difference between DJI Mic Mini and DJI Mic 2? So, basically, I think the main difference is that the Mic 2 has internal storage to record your audio files. So you have a way to post adjust it, and it also supports this 32-bit audio recording. So you can basically say that you want to post edit, make it louder, clip out some unnecessary noises, and so on and so forth. However, I think this has like a 6-hour battery, and this one claims to have an 11-hour battery. And to be honest, I wanted to create motovlogs. However, this bulky microphone, I could not figure out a way to fit into my helmet. But with this one, I think it can be done easily. So that's going to be the next one that I will try to attempt to create some kind of motovlog or something like this. Both of them have noise cancelling, so you can, I think, adjust to different levels. And on the Mic 2, you have this dedicated button as well to turn it on or off. All right, this was my review of the DJI Mic Mini and the DJI Mic 2. Let me know in the comments which one do you prefer or did you like more.